Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about day trading communities out there, Investors Underground. Now, if you've ever looked into joining a trading platform, you know it can be a little overwhelming. There are so many options, and they all claim to have the secret sauce for success. But here's the question we're answering today. Is Investors Underground actually worth your time and money? Does it really live up to all the hype? I'll walk you through everything, from the story behind the platform to what real users have to say about their experience. And trust me, I've got a lot to cover. So let's get started. All right, first, I want to give you a little backstory. Investors Underground started way back in 2004, which in trading world terms is a lifetime ago. Nathan Michaud, the founder, realized the need for a solid, community-based resource for traders. Originally, he launched the site as Investors Live, but by 2008, it had rebranded as Investors Underground, which is the platform we know today. And here's what I find really interesting. Nathan's not just some figurehead who set things up and checked out. He's still very active, giving daily stock tips, guiding discussions, and keeping the whole community buzzing. You can tell he's genuinely invested in helping people learn and succeed. I mean, when the founder's in the trenches with you every day, that says something, right? What makes Investors Underground a bit different is its focus on community and collaboration. This isn't one of those platforms where everyone is just trying to copy a guru's trades. Instead, Investors Underground is all about building a supportive environment where traders can develop their own skills and strategies. Nathan and his team have created a pretty impressive range of resources, including major courses. These courses cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, so whether you're new or experienced, there's something for you. Plus, there are active chat rooms based on different trading styles, where you can get real-time trade alerts and connect with other traders who are in the trenches with you. It's clear that the whole idea here is to empower members to become self-sufficient traders, not just follow along mindlessly. Personally, I think that's a huge plus. Now, let's talk about what users are saying, because you can learn a lot from people who are actually using the platform day in and day out. Investors Underground has a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot, based on over 150 reviews. That's no small feat, especially for a trading platform. A lot of users rave about the community vibe and the educational content. One user mentioned that they joined to be around like-minded, serious traders. He mentioned mentors and peers are available throughout the day, and to me this is huge. It's like having an entire network of people who are all as obsessed with trading as you are. And when you're in this line of work, that kind of support is priceless. This user tried other trading programs and says, Investors Underground is worth the money, especially if you are trading alone or in a group. Day trading can be a lonely venture, so having that support can make all the difference in the world, in my opinion. But let's keep it real, like with everything. There are some drawbacks too. The price point can be steep, especially if you're just starting out. We will get into the pricing in a bit, but with a quarterly membership starting at $597, it's an investment. Some beginners might feel that's a little high, and I get it. But from what I've seen, most users believe the value justifies the cost. When you consider the guidance, the resources, and the overall experience, it's an investment in your trading education. Still, it's something to think about if you're just dipping your toes into day trading. Let's jump into what you actually get with an Investors Underground membership, because there's a lot on offer. When you sign up, you're not just joining a chat room, you're getting a toolkit of resources aimed at helping you become a better, more confident trader. One of the biggest draws to me is the active chat rooms. Let me tell you, these aren't your average forums. They're real-time hubs where members discuss live market moves, share trade ideas, and alert each other to potential setups. Each room has a head moderator who keeps things organized and on track. For instance, Nathan Michaud himself runs the Momentum Chat, which is all about high-energy, fast-moving trades. If you're someone who thrives on real-time interaction and needs a place to bounce ideas around or confirm a trade setup, these rooms are a goldmine. And honestly, it's not just the alerts that are valuable here. It's the ability to observe how top traders think and react to market changes. Then there's the daily watch list. Every night, Investors Underground members receive a list of stocks to watch for the next trading day. And it's not just a simple list of tickers. You get a detailed game plan for each stock, including the strategy behind it and what price levels to watch. This watch list is like a cheat sheet that helps you come to the market prepared, which is big time, especially if you're trying to juggle trading with other responsibilities. I think that knowing what you're looking for before the market even opens can save you a ton of stress and decision fatigue. Investors Underground also has a massive library of educational content, over 700 video lessons, which is pretty staggering. These videos cover everything from basic chart patterns to advanced trading strategies, so there's something for everyone regardless of experience level. What's cool is that they also release trade recap videos a few times a week. In these videos, they go over actual trades from that week, breaking down what worked, what didn't, and why. Watching these recaps can give you an inside look at how experienced traders think, which can be incredibly valuable if you're trying to refine your own strategy. I personally think that having access to so many real-life examples is what sets Investors Underground apart from other trading platforms. And let's not forget the live webinars. Investors Underground hosts webinars regularly, which are exclusively for members, where they cover recent trades, answer questions, and discuss new trading concepts. If you're someone who learns best through interaction, these webinars are a great way to get answers to your specific questions and learn from the admins directly. Plus, if you miss one, they are recorded and on demand, so you can watch them anytime. Between the webinars, video lessons, and the chat rooms, it's clear that this isn't a platform where you're left to fend for yourself. There's always someone to help you out or clarify a concept. All right, let's talk about the pricing options, because Investors Underground definitely isn't cheap. But there are some solid discounts if you're ready to commit. The first option is the quarterly subscription. Usually, 3 months would set you back $891, but right now, it's discounted to $597. You get access to everything: daily watch lists, chat rooms, scanners, study sessions, and a huge video library. Honestly, it's a good deal if you want to try it out without a year-long commitment. Then, there's the annual subscription. At $1,697, down from $3,564, this one saves you more in the long run. If you're serious about trading and want a full year of support and education, this option gives you more bang for your buck. Finally, for those all-in types, the Courses Plus annual subscription is $1,997, usually $6,058. This package includes all the main courses: textbook trading, Tandem Trader, and swing trading, which are worth over $3,000 alone. If you're planning to dive deep into the educational content, this is definitely the best value. Yes, it's an investment, but with these discounts, you're getting serious value for what's included. For anyone looking to take trading seriously, it's worth considering. The discount link for these limited time special prices can be found in the description. I'm not quite sure when this special price will end, so use that link to see if it is still on. Speaking of the courses, let me give you a quick overview of what's in each one. The textbook trading course is designed for beginners and gives you a solid foundation in day trading basics. It's an 8-hour course that covers essential concepts like patterns, strategies, and methodologies. Think of it as Day Trading 101, but with a bit of extra depth that goes beyond the basics. Then there's Tandem Trader, which is more advanced. It's a 12-hour course where Nathan and other instructors walk you through real trades in real time, explaining the thought process and decision-making that goes into each one. Then, there's the Swing Trading course. This course, taught by Michelle Koenig, who's been swing trading for nearly 20 years, is a real gem if you're looking to dive into swing trading. In just over 6 hours, she covers everything from spotting high-probability chart patterns to managing trades like a pro. I love that it's straightforward and focuses on practical strategies you can actually use. If swing trading is your thing, this course is definitely worth a look. If you're serious about trading, these courses can fast-track your progress, making the cost of membership feel a bit more justified. So, to wrap things up, is Investors Underground worth it? In my opinion, if you're serious about day trading and want to learn from some of the best in the business, then yes, it's absolutely worth considering. The community, the resources, the real-time support, it all combines to create an environment where you can grow and learn in a way that's hard to replicate on your own. Of course, if you're just dabbling or looking for a quick path to riches, this probably isn't the right fit. The cost is high, and success in trading requires patience, discipline, and a real willingness to learn. But if you're ready to put in the work, Investors Underground gives you just about every tool you could need. If you do decide to give Investors Underground a try, go over to the description to make sure you are getting the special discount pricing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider joining Investors Underground, or if there's another trading platform you'd like me to review. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.